Hey guys, welcome to my channel Torrent PS. I'm Priyanka. In today's video, I'm gonna share my top 12 favorite nude lipsticks, and all of these are under rupees 300 only. All of these lipsticks are my personal favorite and they are just amazing, and I use them quite a lot, and I'm sure you also wanna love them. So yeah, that was all I wanted to say. Also, at the end of this video, I'm gonna share an amazing tip जिससे आप पता कर सकते हो कि एक पर्टिकुलर लिपस्टिक वुड सूट योर स्किन टोन और नॉट. लाइक बिलीव मी, इतने सारे वीडियोस देखने के बाद, इतने सारे पैसे वेस्ट करने के बाद, इतने सारी गलत लिपस्टिक्स ऑर्डर करने के बाद, नाउ आई नो what you need to do to order a perfect shade for yourself. So yeah, keep on watching.
Okay, so first lipstick that I have is L18 Color Pop Matte Lip Color in the shade Mauve Date. It's a pink mauve shade that would suit all Indian skin tone. Talking about its formula, it has a creamy matte formula which is super pigmented and super comfortable on lips. Okay, so it is not a very long lasting lipstick, but at the same time it is not one of those lipsticks that doesn't even last for 2-3 hours. Generally I don't like any sheen in my lipstick, but this lipstick is an exception. So yeah, I would say it's a very good lipstick priced at rupees 75 only. Next is a lip liner from the Wet n Wild Color Icon lip liner range in the shade Chestnut. It is a dark brown shade that literally works with most of the lipsticks. Okay, so this is the first time I'm applying it as a lipstick on its own, and I just love how it looks on my lips. The formula of this lip liner is not very buttery, but it's not dry either. And I forgot to show a transfer test here, but it doesn't transfer a lot and it stays for a good amount of time. So yeah, everything about this lip liner is amazing, and the best part is you get this lip liner for only rupees 175. If you're a lip liner person now, you should definitely try this out, and yeah, this would also suit all Indian skin tone. Next shade is called Boho. It is from the Nykaa Matte to Last mini liquid lipstick range. It's a purplish pinky shade. It's not too purple or too pink, just a perfect combination of both the colors. Okay, I believe it's not a proper nude shade, but I just love how it looks on my lips, and it's definitely gonna suit across the skin tone. Formula of this liquid lipstick is also very good, and it doesn't dry your lips, and it's long lasting as well. You can wear this shade with some white outfits or some ethnic outfits for that matter. Next, I have two shades from Lakme Forever Matte Liquid Lip Color range. First shade is called New Dream. Okay, I don't know how to exactly explain this shade to you guys, but I would say it is one of very unique pink nudes. Just look at the shade. Isn't the shade just amazing? I recently ordered these and I was so happy when I first swatched it. Okay, again, everything about this lipstick is good. I mean, it's a long lasting, its formula is amazing, it doesn't dry your lips, it's very comfortable on lips, and its price, yeah, it is only for 295 rupees, guys. Okay, so the next shade is called New Twist. I'm just glad I ordered these two shades. Both the shades are just amazing. I just love these kind of shade, terracotta, brown, nude shades. Okay, the only thing about these two lip shades is that the pigmentation is not very great, but at the same time, even if you try to build up the pigmentation, it won't feel heavy on your lips at all. Also guys, this is the same lip shade that I'm wearing at the starting and ending of this video. You can see the difference how it looks on the front and rear camera. I have shot this on the rear camera and this is the exact shade of the lipstick. Okay, next I have two of the very famous shades from the Maybelline New York Color Sensational Creamy Matte Lipstick range. Okay, that was a pretty long name. Okay, so first shade here is Nude Nuance, a very famous renowned lipstick shade, I would say, and I'm sure you guys also must have heard about this lipstick. So yeah, I had to include this in my this collection. It's a warm brown nude, a very beautiful shade, though it's not very long lasting, but it does leave a very nice stain on your lips even if it's faded away a little. I have worn this shade a lot to my office. Okay, the next shade is called Touch of Spice. It's a very beautiful pink nude shade that would suit across the skin tones. Almost all the lipsticks that I've shown in this video is gonna suit across the skin tones, from a lighter to medium or medium to deeper skin tones. I just love how this shade looks on me. Okay, the formula of these lipsticks are very soft and creamy, but they are very pigmented at the same time. Next lipstick is from the Faces Canada Weightless Matte Finish Lipstick range in the shade Pretty Sepia. I have recently got this lipstick and I'm already in love with this lipstick. It's a brown terracotta kind of nude shade and I just love how it looks on me. Literally everything about this lipstick is perfect. The shade is amazing. It's a non-transfer proof matte lipstick that doesn't have any sheen to it. It's pigmented, it's long lasting, and the formula is also very comfortable on the lips. And the price, of course. Okay, the next lipstick is from the Swiss Beauty Non-Transfer Waterproof Lipstick in the shade 415 Bear. I recently came across this lipstick and I just love how it looks on my lips. Okay, now this is the only lipstick that I think that might wash out deeper skin tones. So yeah, at first I thought that it is washing me out as well. But I think this would be a perfect pink nude for the medium skin tone people. Yeah, formula is also very amazing, comfortable on lips, long lasting, pigmented, non-transfer proof, and the pricing, of course. Next lipstick is from the Bella Voste Ulti Matte Liquid Lipstick range in the shade Dark Fawn. I got this lipstick from the Purple app. It's a reddish orangish brick sort of a shade. This is one of those liquid lipsticks that make your lips dry, but I just love the way it brightens up my whole face, and that is the reason I included this in my this collection. So yeah, it's a very affordable liquid lipstick, but then you need to moisturize your lips really well before applying this lipstick. And I won't suggest this lipstick to you if you are someone who doesn't like such drying lipsticks. Talking about its longevity, it would fade away from the center of your lips if you are eating something oily or heavy. Okay, next lipstick is from the Nykaa So Creme Creamy Matte lipstick range in the shade Let It Snooze. This is also one of the very famous shades. Again, it's a brown orangish terracotta kind of shade. I have worn this shade also a lot to my office. This shade would look good with minimal makeup or even with no makeup. The formula and all is good of this lipstick. The only thing that I don't like is that it has a sheen to it, but that does go away after some time. Last but not the least, I have this shade called Angel with Devil's Kiss from the range NY Bay Badass Lipsticks. This is also from the Purple app, but I think currently it is out of stock there. I wanted to include this lipstick in this collection because of its shade, and I have used this lipstick a lot. This is a peachy brown nude shade. Though the formula is not very long lasting, but it is comfortable on the lips and you can definitely touch up whenever required without making your lips looking crumbly. That was the last shade, guys. Do suggest me some good shades that I should try or that you want me to try.
So yeah, that was all the 12 shades that I wanted to share. I really hope you liked at least few of the shades. Now, coming to the tip that I wanted to share with you guys. I don't know आप लोगों के साथ ऐसा हुआ है या नहीं, but मैं YouTube पे वीडियोस देखती थी स्वॉचेस लाइक साइट पे, तो यू कैन नेवर बिलीव जो लिपस्टिक रहती है वो और जो वो शेड दिखाते हैं वो तो कभी मैच ही नहीं होती. लाइक आई डोंट नो व्हाट इज रॉन्ग विद लिपस्टिक कंपनीज. सो समटाइम्स सही भी होती है. सो मैं क्या करती हूँ, यूट्यूब पे जाती हूँ, स्वॉचेस देखती हूँ. आई गेस वी ऑल डू दैट राइट. बट कभी कभी क्या होता है, मैं एक लिपस्टिक स्वॉच देखा किसी यूट्यूबर का एंड देन मैं ऑर्डर कर लेती थी. फिर जब वो लिपस्टिक आती थी तो मैं बोली यार ये तो बिल्कुल ही डिफरेंट है, मेरी लिस्ट पे तो ऐसी लग ही नहीं रही है. सो मैंने एक चीज़ ऑब्जर्व की है कि कोई ज़रूरी नहीं है एक जो एक पर्सन जो स्वॉच दिखा रहा है वो वैसे ही आपके ऊपर भी वैसे ही लगे राइट. सो उसका सोल्यूशन क्या है? ओके, सो मैं क्या करती हूँ, पहले मेरे पास जो ऑलरेडी लिपस्टिक्स है ना, मैं उसके स्वॉचेस देखती हूँ और जिस यूट्यूबर के स्वॉचेस सेम होते हैं, मतलब मेरे लिप्स पे और उसके लिप्स पे मुझे सेम लगते हैं, फिर मैं जो मुझे लिपस्टिक लेनी है मैं उस लिपस्टिक का स्वॉच उस यूट्यूबर पे देखती हूँ. सो मुझे कॉन्करेंस टाइप का मिल जाता है. सो उससे क्या होता है, थोड़ी सी गारंटी रहती है कि जो आप लिपस्टिक ऑर्डर करोगे वो भी वैसी ही लगेगी जैसी उस यूट्यूबर या उस ब्लॉगर पे लग रही है राइट. मैं यहाँ पे आपको एक एग्जाम्पल भी दूंगी, मैं स्क्रीनशॉट्स एंड ऑल डाल दूंगी। सो यार जस्ट वांट टू से कि कभी एक लिपस्टिक का स्वॉच कभी एक यूट्यूबर पे मत देखो और पहले चेक करो कि आपके पास जो लिपस्टिक्स हैं उसके स्वॉचेस उस यूट्यूबर या उस ब्लॉगर पे सेम है या नहीं। आई नो स्किन टोन का डिफरेंस होना एंड वो अलग बात होती है, बट कुछ कुछ लिपस्टिक्स का मैंने देखा ना वो टोन ही चेंज हो जाता है, लाइक पिंक से वो रेड और वो रेड से पिंक, आई डोंट नो कैसे होता है। आई थिंक कैमरा एंड ऑल होता होगा। सो आई मेक श्योर जब मैं वीडियोस बनाती हूँ ना, सो मेरे दिमाग पे रहता है कि यार जो लिपस्टिक मैं लगा रही हूँ वैसी ही दिखनी चाहिए वीडियो पे, एल्स उस वीडियो का कोई मतलब ही नहीं होगा। So yeah, that was all for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed this video and you got something out of this video. As I always say, if you have any question, any doubt or anything, if you want to give me any suggestion or like anything, you can always DM me on Instagram or comment down below. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye.